Damn. He tried to post up on Frank ass. Look at this nigga, dog. Shut up, nigga. Good morning. Damn. Okay, cuz. Oh, that motherfucker's beautiful. Dang, look at that. That blue, boy. Oh, this must be a young man. He trying to test his stuff. Go ahead, do it again, cuz. Do it again. Pretty as hell, dog. What you talking about, cuz? You know you a steak to me, cuz. Damn. Big as hell. Big pretty motherfucker. There, the baby. Oh, that was cold, bro. Moo. Little brownie. Don't rub it on your clothes.
They're all trying to get up to you, William.
Don't, William.
We just do. We'll do one scoop of peanut butter.
One orange?
Yeah. This one is
Here.
Where's that Superman at? Right here. That shit looks amazing. You said,
White milk or chocolate?
oh, white milk. White milk. Hell yeah. Damn, look at that strawberry, bro. You can help them. We're good. Thank you, bro. Ooh. Frank out there, turn that shit up. Look at it. Here, mama. Yeah. You want another drink of that? Huh? Don't say no and then try to then take it. Goofy self. She up there too. Put it in your hand, Sue.